So now we're going to do a couple of examples of solving for a variable or solving an algebraic expression using inspection. The first one we have is in brackets, I have a over 2 plus 4, close brackets, times 3 equals 18. The way that we solve this is we have to look at a, and we have to see what has happened to a in order to create the answer 18. Well, a was first divided by 2. So that will be, my first box is a divided by 2. After that, I added 4 to it. And then at the end, I multiplied it by 3 at the very end to get my answer 18. So inspection means working backwards to get back to A. In order for me to work backwards, I have to start with the outermost layer, and to remove that is the multiplied by 3. So I need to undo the multiplied by 3. Everything else will stay the same, and I'll just remove that. So a divided by 2 plus 4 equals 18. And because I move the times 3 to the other side, this becomes divided by 3. Or more preferred would be the fraction sign, divided by 3. This side stays the same, a divided by 2 plus 4. And I solve 18 divided by 3 is 6. The next thing that I have to remove from this present is the plus 4. So I move the plus 4 to the other side. A over 2 equals 6, and now it's minus 4. So a over 2 equals 6 minus 4 is 2. If I move up here, a over 2 equals 2. And now I'm going to move this divided by 2 to the other side. And when you move a division to the other side, it becomes a multiplication. So this becomes now times 2. A is equal to 2 times 2. A equals 4. How can I check my work? I can check my work by putting the A back into the original A in the original question. So I'll put the 4 in there. 4 divided by 2 plus 4 times 3. And does that equal to 18? I solve this. 4 divided by 2 is 2, plus 4 times 3 equals 18. 2 plus 4 is in brackets, so that's 6 times 3 equals 18. 18 equals 18. So I am correct. So therefore, A did equal 4, and that is the solution to my first problem. To solve the second one, let's just give myself some room. My question is 6b minus 12 equals 72. So I look at my letter B, and with my B, the first thing that happened was a multiplied by 6. The next thing that happened after that was a subtraction of the 12 to get the answer 72. So for me to undo all these operations, I have to work backwards and remove the outermost layer first, which is the minus 12. So what I can do is I move the minus 12 over to the other side. 6b equals 72. And now the minus 12 becomes plus 12 when I carry it over the equal sign. 6b equals 72 plus 12, which is 84. This is 6 times b, so when I move the multiplication to the other side, it becomes division. 84 divided by 6 equals b. I solve this. 84 divided by 6 is 14. So I find that b equals 14. The way I can check this is by putting the 14 back into the original question. 6 times 14 minus 12. 6 times 14 is 84. No. 84 minus 12. 84 minus 12 is 72. And yes, that matches the answer 72 that I had at the original question. So these are two examples to solve algebraic expressions using inspection.